Welcome to the Single Window Clearance System Himachal Pradesh. This online platform enables investors and entrepreneurs to apply for various government services and approvals from different departments, all in one place. Let's walk through the complete process step by step. To begin, if you are a new user, click on Investor Registration. If you already have an account, click on Investor Login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. The investor registration page, fill in the required details such as email ID, mobile number, password, enterprise or firm name, PAN number, and address. Please enter the enterprise, firm, unit, organization, or society name exactly as per your PAN card. This name cannot be changed later and will be verified with PAN during the application process. After entering all details, submit the form and verify your mobile number using the OTP sent to your registered number. Your registration will be completed successfully. After login, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, you can check the status of your applications, including total applications, submitted applications, reverted applications, and rejected applications. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your application progress. To apply for a service, click on Apply for Application from the left side menu. Select the department you want to apply to. For example, choose Elementary Education. Then select the appropriate sub-department, such as Elementary Education or Primary Education. After selecting the sub-department, you will see the list of available services. Click on the Apply button next to the service you wish to apply for. The application form will now open. Fill in all the required information carefully. You can click on Update to save your progress or click Submit once all details are completed. After submitting the form, you will proceed to the next step. After completing the form, you will be redirected to the document upload page. Upload all the required documents as mentioned. If you wish to add additional documents, click on the plus icon to upload multiple additional files. Once all documents are uploaded, proceed to the next step. You will now be redirected to the payment page, where your total payable amount along with the application ID will be displayed, if payment is required. Click on Pay Now to proceed to the payment gateway. After successful payment, you will be redirected to the declaration page. If no payment is required for the selected service, you will be directly redirected to the declaration page. On the declaration page, select the checkbox to confirm the declaration and proceed for final submission. After final submission, you will automatically be redirected to the dashboard. Here, you can view your updated application details including application ID, pending at, and submission date. You can track your application status anytime from your dashboard. If your application has been reverted, you can check it from the dashboard. The total number of reverted applications is displayed in yellow color for easy identification. Click on the Remarks button to review the remarks provided by the concerned department. To update the reverted application, click on the I icon available in the last column, before the payment receipt icon. You can update the application form details or upload revised documents as required. After making the necessary corrections, resubmit the application for further processing. Please ensure all updates are completed carefully before final submission. Once your application is approved by the concerned department, the dashboard is updated in real time. The approved application count will be reflected under the Approved Applications section. To download the certificate, go to the respective application in the list and click on the Download Certificate button available in the last column. Before downloading the certificate, the system will request you to provide a rating on a few parameters. We request you to share your valuable feedback and provide a short comment in 10 to 15 words. After submitting your feedback, you can proceed to download your approval certificate. For a renewal application, you will see two options for previous permission status, online or offline. If your previous permission was issued online, select the previous registration number from the list. Once selected, your application form will be automatically filled with the previously submitted information. You may review and edit the details wherever required before proceeding. If your previous permission was issued offline, select the offline option. In this case, you will need to fill in all the required information manually in the application form. After completing the details, proceed with the next steps as instructed. If you face any technical issues, such as payment not being updated or the form not being submitted successfully, please feel free to contact us for assistance. You may reach us at +91 78372 65326 919877 62657 917265 41273 You can also email us at direndes-hp@nic.in. Our support team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for using the single window clearance system Himachal Pradesh.